Picture this. You get your paycheck, and before you even feel excited, your mind is already scanning for what could go wrong. Bills, emergencies, what you might lose. Everyone else is celebrating, but your brain is quietly stress testing the future. If this is you, people have probably called you cheap, anxious, or overly cautious about money. But here's the truth. You aren't broken, you aren't damaged, and you definitely aren't the problem. Your psychology is playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. What you're experiencing is hyper financial vigilance, a survival mechanism shaped by your nervous system, your past, and your environment. Most brains have a spam filter with money. They swipe, spend, and move on. But your brain, it's screenshotting everything, every price, every risk, every possible future you could regret. Your brain treats money like a highly sensitive smoke detector. While others only react to flames, you hear even the faintest spark. You notice patterns: who wastes money, who hoards it, who uses it for control, and who uses it for safety. Studies in behavioral economics show that roughly 20% of people are highly sensitive to financial uncertainty. Their nervous system treats money like a survival resource, not just a tool. This trait kept humans alive for millennia. While others were feasting recklessly, your ancestors were the ones storing food, planning for winter, and preparing for famine. You were exactly what survival needed. For many, this was forged in a high-contingency environment. Maybe money was unstable, or love was conditional, or security disappeared without warning. You learned early that resources are never truly guaranteed. While spenders chase a dopamine parade from shopping and status, your brain runs on acetylcholine, rewarding reflection, planning, and long-term thinking. Think of money like spice. Some people need a whole jalapeno of risk, investments, loans, flashy purchases. You just need a small pinch of certainty and you're good. So you aren't stingy, you're anti-chaos. You choose stability over spectacle. But we have to be honest here. Is your relationship with money a sanctuary or a cage? Healthy caution comes from abundance, not scarcity. Are you saving because you value your future or because you're terrified of losing control? The quiet planners aren't afraid. They're building invisible safety nets the world doesn't see. You are a bridge generation, turning uncertainty into structure. That isn't just psychology. It's poetry in motion. If this deep dive felt uncomfortably accurate, please subscribe. Tell me in the comments, are you a saver or a spender? I want to find our people. If you liked this, you'll love the video on why some people feel physically uncomfortable spending money. Click to understand your mind.